Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to run LinkedIn sales and conversion ads using the LinkedIn Ads Manager. So don't forget, one of the major secrets is that you must have set up your conversion tracker or your event setup tool on your website, okay? Using the LinkedIn Insights or event tag or the LinkedIn Pixel as most persons will call it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to visit the description section for more exclusive resources that will help you succeed. So let's jump right straight into this video where you're going to learn how to run successful sales and conversion ads campaign on LinkedIn. You visit linkedin.com. Once you visit your LinkedIn, you click on advertise. So once you go here, you're going to select the ad account you want to use. So make sure it's the ad account you want to use. All right. So here are different ad accounts here. Now, this is a business manager account. So you could click here. If the ad account you want to use is on another business manager account, you select the business manager account and you're going to find the ad account. But if your ad account is under your LinkedIn profile, you select your profile, then you're going to see all the ad accounts under this profile. But the ad account we want to use is under the business portfolio grid. So we're going to scroll down and find it. So I'm gonna scroll down. So this is the ad account I want to use. You can see it's active. Then I'm going to select it. Okay, so you can just continue setting up your ads from here. If this comes up, you can continue. You just click on web conversion. But if it doesn't, you most likely find something like this when you click on create later. So you will most likely find something like this overview where all campaigns are. So you click on overview just to be sure. Okay. So make sure you've already added your billing information. As you click on account settings, because this is how they'll charge you. So you click on account settings, then you click on billing. So make sure you have. So this is our card that is connected to it. All right. So you scroll up and click on overview again. Then we're going to start running our ad. So you click on create. All right. So before we continue, make sure this is already settled. I know we've mentioned it already. You have to know how to set up your measurements, particularly conversion tracking. Okay. So if you see, all our major events we want to track for now is already set up and is active. So you could also explore insights, know how your ads is running. But by then, you must have started running ads. Okay. But there's no campaign. This is a new ad account. So we click on overview again. Then we click on create. Okay. So let's click on campaign. Then we'll call this next level mentorship program seller 01. This is the first campaign. So we select web conversions. Okay, so we want it to start today. Set start and end date. Okay, it's starting today. The one in the next, that is too far. Okay, so this is 10 days from now. Okay, set. Okay, end date. Okay, set start to end date. So we're gonna leave budget for now. Then we'll click on next. You could use the accelerated or you go for classic. I'm gonna use the classic. Then click on next. So for this ad set, I'm going to call it ad set next level mentorship program seller. Okay, so we call it next level mentorship program. So we're going to add our website. So this is it. Then click on save, just in case it wants to help us. You could also skip this if you want. Use auto targeting to maximize result. Let's leave it. Okay, you could also try this if you want. Okay, let's try it now. So we've tried it again and it worked fine now. Okay. Yeah, Nigeria. So we're gonna use videos actually. We use videos, more videos. So budget, let's start with $20 per day. So we're gonna edit this end date. So we're gonna allow this targeting to be free. You know, we're actually doing a sales. Okay, so let's just use the AI. Okay, so now select conversion. We're going to use the buy now only. So let's use the buy now. This is the sign up button. We're just going to use the buy now. Okay, then we'll click on next. We'll click on save. So let's use an existing post. So click on browse existing content. Okay, so this is the company page. We'd want to use this video one. So now most of these videos are very long. I don't know. Okay, we're also gonna use this one. Use, okay, particularly the first AI video. And then this one. Okay, so let's use only this one for now. Click on add to ad sets. Add required missing field. Okay, so for the headline, so let's start with destination actually. So we can give it learn more. And then for the headline, let's use this one. Let's paste here first. Join the next level mentorship. Okay. Okay, so we are good to go. Let's save this one. Yeah, so click on save and confirm. So we're going to do that for every one of them. Okay, so let's do for this one. Okay, so call to action. Let's use register for this one. So I'm going to click on save. Okay. Then confirm. So don't forget, for this particular one, we're just using existing content already. Okay, so let me fix this one also. So click on save. Then confirm. So click on save and confirm. Okay, just this one left. Confirm. Okay, so let's click on next. Then you click on launch ad after previewing everything. Okay, so your ads are being previewed. Okay, so we're gonna stop here for now.